Alright y'all, you see we're in the red truck. It's been like, I don't know, 5-6 weeks. Oh, it's been a pain in my butt. But like I said, we have the truck back today and we need to do a little bit of maintenance. I need to explain to you guys what happened with the truck. We just got to catch up a little bit because we, in my opinion, are very far behind. There's just like nothing I can do about it. So let's head to a spot, get out, talk about the truck, and let you guys know what happened and like what is going on now. All right, y'all, so you see we have the truck right here. I'm trying to talk good about it right now. Hope you're freaking listening because I cannot afford and we don't have enough time for you to keep having your little mess ups. It's like I said, y'all, it's been like 5 to 6 weeks. Let's just backtrack, okay? First, the tail lights were bad or weren't working, so I brought it to the shop for like 4.5 weeks. And then got it back for the weekend, tried to install the third brake light, and then that started acting up. So they was at the shop for another 5 weeks, almost going on 6 now. So we have not had the truck for a very long time. It's putting a setback on the build, and it just, I mean, look at it. The truck is freaking badass. It looks so freaking good, but we just have a lot of stuff just to install on it. So I don't want to bore you guys. The truck's extremely dirty. We're gonna need to give it a wash today. I just figured I'd make this video to explain to you guys really what's going on. So like I said, the third brake light, if you guys haven't seen the videos, as soon as you plug it in, the cargo light was staying on one side, and no matter what you do, it wouldn't shut off. It was back feeding in my harness somewhere, so like I said, it was at the shop for probably about 4.5, 5 weeks. They put a dial on it, which is what kind of controls that power. Stu couldn't get it to work. They had a guy come, like a specialist, come try to fix it for me. He wound up taking the third brake light and cutting out the resistor, thinking that I didn't need that. I honestly don't know what he cut out, but he cut out something. Had to re-splice that back in. Stu couldn't get it to work. And then finally, like the last week, I told my guy, I was like, look, dude, I cannot afford this truck to be sitting here any longer than what it's been. I need you just to cut the power. Make sure the cargo light does not come on. Splice, do what you gotta do. Nut it up. Electrical tape aside, I don't even care at this point. Just make sure my truck's not gonna catch on fire and just cut the power to the cargo lights, because if y'all don't know, I'm pretty sure in these year models you can, when you open the door, get your cargo lights to come on. But other than that, literally you have one button in the truck. As soon as you press that button, they come on and shine into your bed. I have other bigger and better plans for lights in the bed, so I really didn't care about it. I mean, the third brake light had to go on. I'm not gonna have, I got $4,000 worth of headlight and tail lights that are all color matched, looking badass. I'll just have this raggedy stock third brake light. Like, we had to do something about it. It has to be used. So somehow it wound up working. My mechanic had to put a lot of time into what he had to do. He said he was up till like 2 o'clock in the morning because it was bothering him too. The truck's been there for so long. He wound up doing, I'm pretty sure, a 4-way relay or a 4-way resistor, something like that. So everything is working perfect on the truck right now. Tail lights are working, their brake lights working. Kind of have no headlights or anything else, but that's what I'm saying. We've a lot of stuff to install, so we're getting there. But like I said, y'all, she's back. I apologize. It sucks. I know you guys enjoy the truck content. I'm moving as fast as I freaking can with it because I don't want the truck not to get done either. You know, we have a job. We got to build it. We got to get it done. So this is where she stands right now. Like I said, it's been outside for like 5 weeks, so the truck's looking, I mean, she still looks good, but she needs a quick wash. So went and got a really cool electric power washer. So we're about to go back to the house, and like I said, y'all, give this truck a wash. Sorry, there's a yellow jacket next to my feet. All right, let's go get washed. Y'all, we're getting set up. Walk up here, show you guys some of my products I like to use. Rocket wax, I mean, I got a lot of this stuff right here. Ceramic coating, got some microfibers or bucket, a nice little power washer back there, and a dirty truck. She looks clean because it's fresh paint, but there's just a lot of little here's and there's I want to get off, so let's get to work. Y'all talk about a clean truck. She is looking good. I love that ceramic coating. That stuff really puts a glaze on these trucks, and it just kind of helps protect it for the next couple months. Y'all, you see the truck right here? She is all cleaned up. Didn't get to wrap it up with y'all after the truck, so I figured I'd do it now. We're actually about to go film another video on the truck. Like I said, y'all, she is back, so we're able to have some time to actually start installing some new stuff like we are today, which I think you guys are gonna love a lot. So be looking out for that video. Like I said, y'all, she's back in my hands. I just have a couple check marks. She's clean, she's healthy. Nothing's messing up as of right now. One of the things we're installing today involves electrical, so let's hope that we don't screw nothing up. All we can do is keep our fingers crossed, have you guys keep on supporting the channel, watching us do these videos. I'll take the electrical problems if you guys are enjoying it. So it is what it is, y'all. I appreciate it. Until next time, Lit Bass TV.